Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change to English dub on Crunchyroll. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, it is pretty much simple. All you gotta do is simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you open your Crunchyroll app, you need to load your video of choice on Crunchyroll. Now you can simply click on any of the video you want to watch, or if you want it to be dubbed, all you gotta do is simply click on the gear icon, which will allow you to open your audio settings, or you can also choose the filter option. So you can find the filter option right besides popular, and once you're in filters, simply select dubbed as your language and hit the update filters option. Once this is done, simply choose the dub language of your preference and you will be able to change to English dub on Crunchyroll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.